Okay, this tutorial is going to be super easy. All we're going to be doing is just taking this car and making a reflection on the floor. So we'll just go ahead and get started. First of all, you want to go to your quick selection tool, click on that, and then at the top you'll see an option to say select subject. So we're going to go ahead and select the subject. All right, as you notice, the whole selection is not selected. So what we're going to have to do is go in manually and select it ourselves. So what I would do, there's a couple of ways to do it, but I'll take the lasso tool. Once again, if you don't have the lasso tool as an option, click on your mouse, hold it down until you have the option where you can select it. Now, at the bottom of the car, I'm going to hold down shift, and then I'm going to hold my button on my mouse down, and that'll actually add to the selection. So now I can go, and even in this window, it's not selected. So let me go in here, come down. All right, now we got the whole thing selected. Now all we have to do is just make a copy of it. And so you just right click, layer via copy. Now we have a copy. Make sure that your layer is selected. Go to edit, go to transform, and you flip it. You're gonna flip it upside down. So we're gonna do flip vertical. Click and drag your card down. Line it up. When you move it down, hold shift down so you can keep it straight. Because if you don't hold down shift, then it can get out of whack. It gets out of line. So, but once you hit shift, it'll be precisely where it was when you clicked it. All right, so that's good. Now what we want to do is go to that layer, and we're going to take the opacity down to about 36%. But you can use any number you want, just depending on how shiny you want the floor to be. So we're going to go with 37 right now. Last thing that we need to do is make a mask. So we go down to the bottom of your layers panel, and you have an add layer mask button. You want to click on that. You'll notice a little white box pop up next to the layer. You can click on it. Go to your gradient tool. Again, if it's not here, hold down, click the click the button on the mouse. Hit your gradient. You have to make sure that your gradient is black, because if it's any other color, if it's white, it's not going to fade properly. So now we have it on black already, and then you hold down the shift button, click your mouse, hold it down, go up, and there it is. Simple. I told you it was going to be easy, super easy. All right, if you like it, go down and subscribe or click the like button. You can try this with your own image, or you can use the image that I have. I provided a link in the description at the bottom.